Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME V60 Pro and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. First of all, we will block our contact and then I'll show you how to do it in the settings. So let's find the contact you'd like to block and in the contact settings tap on block numbers. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so just tap on block and we've got this characteristic icon, which means that we just successfully blocked the number. We can unblock it right here, but let me leave it like this. Now all we have to do is to open another way of blocking the number is to open the settings. So tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here in the general list we have to open blocked numbers, and this is our blacklist where we've got the numbers we blocked in our contacts. We can also tap on add a number and here manually enter the number we want to block and tap on block. Here we've got also the option unknown. We can turn it on and off just by using the switcher, and basically your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. So if you want to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.